Don't worry when you're right. Just worry when you're not strong enough to realize. The best thing you can do to give is awareness. Combine your positive thoughts. Just say with sincerity and spread. Least we can do for better us. Do not limit yourself. You are yours. Understand who you are, what you want. Do not devalue your precious life. Everyone is perfect. If they realize, eat what makes your brain happy. Wear what makes you beautiful. Sing even you can't. Dance even you don't know how to. Give your time. Give your smile. Give your awareness. Give your money. Many people in this world who have lack of many things. Start giving. Whatever you have, money, good thoughts, education, and if you don't have any, just spread the love. Live until you feel you have lived enough. You have tried enough. I think anyone can be a good speaker and have that convincing power if we start thinking. I believe we all have at least one passion in our lives. All we need is to find that passion, work on it, understand it widely, research on it, to completely understand that specific thing. That's how we learn the self-learning, how to start thinking, and we'll start thinking of different perspectives. Your knowledge will have more liberty. You need to know about many things more to meet and analyze different people's attitude. That's how we learn. Don't change yourself for anyone else except you. Real people never wants to change you the way you are. No restrictions, no judgment.